What's up, YouTube? USMC Vet here. The Jets are at it again today. Still dying of the fucking COVID. Well, I'm not dying, but it's definitely not pleasant. So, I feel a little bit better today. I've been taking all my vitamins and shit. So just a lot of kidney pain still. I don't know why. That's like some random weird shit that happened the 4th day in, I think. Really bad kidney pains. So anyways, I want to talk to you guys and gals real quick about something that I've found whenever I got a few minutes here of time to sit down and wasn't in agonizing pain with the severe acute kidney pain. So anyways, I really think I figured out why they don't give a shit about the night vision goggles. And this is a minute problem. I mean, it's enough to piss a motherfucker off, but because they could have gave them to us. Whatever. They could have not handed them over to the fucking tally. But anyways, so doing some further research as to why they just didn't give a shit about the night vision. I found as far back as 2018, May 17th of 2018, Aberdeen Proving Grounds, Maryland, put in a buy order for a $391.8 million contract with L3 for them to build the Envg-b Bravo systems. So L3 Harris also has planned to deliver 10,000 plus of these to the United States Army and the Marine Corps. And like I said, it's Echo November Victor Golf Bravo systems. You can go check it out. Just look around for it. It's some kind of shit that hooks up to the ATACs so that the pilot up there, wherever the hell he is right now, can send a signal to the troops down here and tell the troops down here where there's people on the ground to go shoot, and it sends it right to their goggle system. So that's why they don't give a shit about some old school knots. But anyways, I wanted to share that with you guys. But I could trace it back so far to 2018, Aberdeen Proving Grounds in Maryland. Bought a shit ton of them, obviously. $391 million worth. Hard money they earned, taxpayer money. So anyways, like I said, it hooks up to ATACs. If you don't know what ATACs is, it basically connects everything connects on basically a cell phone, and then it tracks everything in real time on the battlefield to your device connected to you through a software program, through geospatial location. And just go look it up. I'm probably gonna fuck it up because I don't feel good, but it's the new wave of technology. Where you at, you fucker? It's a new wave of technology. So anyways, can you hear that? So anyways, sorry I haven't been up for the morning muster. Hopefully I'll get back to doing that soon. Just want to let you guys know. Check out L3 Harris Echo November Victor Golf Bravo systems. Supposed to supply the U.S. Army by the end of 2021 and the Marines. So I'll try to type it into the links below whenever I get this thing uploaded, but just thought I'd share it with you. That's why they don't give a fuck that they give the tally the fucking NVGs, because they say, oh, they're not working. Out to 300 yards. So allegedly this shit can shoot 600-700 yards, meters, or whatever the hell they said. You can download the PDFs from their website, from L3 Harris. Go to army.mil or Military Times, Army Military Times, whatever. Search this shit up, but go check it out. Thumbs up. thumbs down. Bitches, moans, complaints, leave them in the comment section below. I'm USMC Vet. Simplify Godspeed. And take those vitamins. Say fuck to COVID. Peace.